Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to teach you a important acronym, CYA, which means cover your ass, common in business. Hey, did you have HR sign off on your vacation request? Nah, I just submitted it to the boss. Dude, I think you should. You always got a CYA around here. Ah, good point. Okay, I'll take it over to HR right now. So you can say CYA or you can say cover your ass. Cover your ass is often written as CYA and even said that way. It means to be careful and do everything exactly correctly and to document it so that you don't get in trouble in the future. Obviously ass is a bad word, so that's why people usually say CYA. It doesn't mean you did something wrong. It's more like a preventative. It's taken an extra step to make sure something doesn't cause you any trouble. And sometimes this makes life difficult for your coworkers because you're always doing extra things and so they gotta do extra things. Anyway, that's a different topic. You can use it talking about another person, like, she's always trying to CYA, it gets annoying. Or number 2, working in this company is all about CYA. That's true with a lot of companies, actually. Number 3, Jim was fired because he didn't cover his ass with the Rogers case. In this case, Rogers case is like a lawsuit. So he didn't CYA and he got fired. Notice you can change your to his or her. The acronym CYA doesn't change, but you need to say the whole thing if you want people to understand you. Or you can say something like, she's all about CYA. And let's face it, we've all had coworkers like that, and frankly, they're really annoying. Are there other things you can say? Sure. You need to be extra careful. Number 2, make sure to dot your I's and cross your T's. This is another idiom, but it's like from my father's generation. I don't really recommend it. Number 3, do everything exactly according to company policy. That's pretty much what CYA is. But you'd sound like really boring if you said that. CYA is more often written than said. You can find it in a lot of business emails. Maybe not like most, but you'll see it. Trust me. Anyway, tell me about a time that you had to CYA. Leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. And make sure to CYA.